Hi, today we're talking about how foods affect your body. And a lot of people are familiar with counting calorie systems, but counting calories doesn't really tell you about what foods are doing for your body. And then also people tend to use a cheating system. Oh, I'll just eat this Snickers now and then I won't eat dinner and that'll be my calories. Well, no, it's not doing you any favors there. You want to be clear with how foods affect your body so you can make better food choices and start building better food habits. So as we go through the program, keep in mind that the more natural foods, the better. Foods that are processed or high starch or high that have that high refined sugar in them actually cause your body to increase the insulin response. Our body releases insulin in response to sugar. Insulin then carries the sugar into the cells of your body to use it. But now think if you're having a high sugar food or a food that converts quickly to sugar. Now you've got all of this sugar and the insulin takes it into your cells and you've got too much to use at one time. So what does your body do? It stores it for later as fat because it's efficient, right? So keep in mind that we're looking for the healthy foods that give your body sustained energy over time. The foods that are processed, like bread or pasta, they actually convert to sugar quickly, even though they don't taste sweet. They convert to sugars quickly in your system, which then trips that insulin response, and then your body stores it as fat. So keep in mind that we're looking for whole foods and for just healthier foods, more whole grains, fruits and vegetables, and then of course lean meats, nuts and seeds. As you go through the nutrition part of this program, you're going to learn nutrition strategies to boost your health and even into super health. So one of the exercises that you'll find in the program is the 1-week menu. We're all creatures of habit. In fact, I want you to think about the last time you went shopping at the grocery store. You consistently put the same 20 items in your shopping cart every week, don't you? Yeah, I do it too, right? Our brain kind of likes habits because it simplifies things and simplifies our life. So the 1-week menu helps you identify the 7 favorite dinners or 7 favorite breakfasts and lunches that you do every week. And you can do the same thing, say Monday night is soup night and Tuesday is taco night. Maybe Wednesday is fish night. So you create these themes for these days of the week, but then the next week you adjust the recipe a little bit or change up the recipe so that it keeps your food interesting, but it helps your brain not have to overthink your meals. So you just know what's on the shopping list and it makes it easier to shop. What do I want in my soup this week? What do I want in my tacos this week? So keep in mind that if you're creating themes for the nights of the week, that it's a way of simplifying so you don't have to think too hard about your food choices and your dinners. But also you can start really changing up the recipe to find those foods, those dishes that you really love, and even becoming a master at some of those dishes. So go ahead and find the 1-week menu, fill it out, and start using the 1-week menu to help you stay focused with your health and your nutrition, and also so you don't have to overthink it. How many times do we get home, open up the fridge, what's for dinner? And we spend 20 minutes hemming and hawing about what we're going to make. Well, the 1-week menu will really simplify that for you. You'll just know what's on the agenda and be able to jump right in and create healthy, nutritious dishes that are really good fit for you. Here's to your health, happiness, and success. I'll see you next time.